Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have a Temu plus size clothing haul. I have had several different pieces that I've gotten over the last few months, and I have not shown them to you, and I want to show them to you. So let's get going. So I wore this one to work today, and it feels a little big on me. It fits down here. I mean, you can't have it too much tighter, tighter than that, because you won't be able to sit down. But it's, it's supposed to be big, or blousey. Smudges right here on the floor. But if you can see, you can see inside, but I do have on, an under thing. So let me take that off. It was very cheap. I don't know the exact price at this moment. I think it was $4.38 or something like that. Something like that. So if I had tried this on in a store, I probably wouldn't have got it because it just feels big, and I have to keep adjusting this top. I hope you can see that. All right, this one, it looks like a t-shirt, but it is a nylon, and it is printed on the top. It's a nice length. I like this kind of thing. Cute for summer, short sleeve, cute pattern. And yeah, I think I'll have most prices I'll have. So I'll let you know. This is a very nice blouse for work. This has buttons here, so I can button it all the way up if I wanted to, but that would be too high for me. This is fine. And these, oh, I just realized these button. They were unbuttoned when I got them, but they will button. And it's nice length for me. And since I'm this far back, I don't know if you can tell, but I got these capris also. They're like a gauze. They're very thin, and they go above my ankle. I don't think you can see. But they go above my ankle. They're super comfortable, and they fit. They fit well. They are elastic waist. They do not have pockets, but I just have them on to go with everything that I've been trying on from Temu. Sometimes I have trouble with this, a 3/4 sleeve buttoning, that it might be a little tight. It always takes me a minute to figure it out, so I will do that later. I have to say, I have no idea why I got this blouse. This is completely black. I don't know why I would have picked it. It fits though. I mean, it's loose. It's supposed to be. I like the sleeve, is pretty. It is just completely black. And here's the back. It's just, very plain. It is a nylon material. So it's fine. I don't know why I would pick it, because it just has nothing going on for it, really. This one is pretty. I like this. This is a nice fall blouse. Well, maybe not winter, because it is, like see-through here. It has this cute little details on the sleeve, little like chenille dots. And it's a dark, like a forest green. And it is a V-neck. This came in different colors. I think this came in black. This I would have been happy with this one in black because of it has a pattern or something going with it. But I think it was in pink. I can't remember all the colors. But it's pretty. I like this one. This one, my bra shows a little bit. It's pretty. It has little pretty like wooden style buttons just right here. It has a little, they call that a bodice there, and it's stretched out. It reminds me of a pajama, honestly. Like your grandma's, I don't know, your mom's negligee. I think it's pretty. The pattern is pretty, but it looks very silky. I don't know. Would I wear it? Yeah, maybe. I don't know if I'd wear it to work. I don't know. It's just not my cup of tea, but it fits. So that's good. Maybe I'll wear it. This top is really cute, but it's supposed to be more blousey. And this is a 3X. I wouldn't get bigger. It would just be too big up here. You know, this is a baseball style. Super cute with the fringe here. The fringe is on the bottom as well. I have this top also in a gray, and then the sleeves have animal print. They had a couple of different colors of that one. This, they had a couple different prints, I believe. And then I have on these white pants. I was looking for something that was capri style-ish. These are a little long. They're not, you know, as capri like mid-calf. These go to above the ankle. They have this lace on them. These are hideous. They basically fit, but they're stretchy nylon, really thick. I don't like them at all. Don't like them at all. And this, let me turn around, I guess so you can see this one. And it's cute. I got this t-shirt from Temu a little while ago. It says meow, and it looks like a cotton t-shirt, but it isn't. It has that nylon and it has some stretch to it. Super cute, I just love it. And that was like from my very first order. So let me show you the pricing. This top was $1.96. It's cute. It's got that little, you know, shearing. I don't know what you call these things anymore. This was cute. $1.96. I'm happy about paying that. But they show it very, very loose. I think it is somewhat loose on me, but it doesn't turn out like the picture. So, you know, that's how it goes. This one was $5.74, and I do like this. This is a nice work blouse. I like this. This has the button on the sleeve, which I didn't button yet, but it's a 3/4 sleeve. It's nice for work. Trying to go in order of how I showed you. The black top, I don't know, y'all. I have no idea why I picked this, $4.38. I think in the picture it looks like a t-shirt, but I wouldn't have picked a black t-shirt with cats, with fur. Oh, I have no idea. I could wear this with a black pair of slacks or black skirt and maybe a pretty sweater over it. That's probably what I'll do with it. I don't like that whole black look, so I'm not sure why I bought that. Sometimes things get into my cart that shouldn't be in my cart. This has happened to me. So this one was $5.19. This is the Swiss dot one. That's what they call it. And all of these blouses are 3X. They say 3X in parentheses 18. So this is a nice nylon. This has the V-neck. And this is the one that came in different colors. And I love the sleeves. You know, they all need to be washed, you know. Next up was this one, and this I got back originally, let's see, when Temu sent me PR. I got a couple of things that were a little more pricey. This one is the blue flower. This was supposed to be much more flowy than it is, and it's cute. I thought it was cute, but I don't know. To me, it looks like pajamas. It really does. Maybe I'll wear it as a pajama top. This was $9.44. I don't think I would have bought that on my own if it wasn't for PR. And then this last one, this is peony print, they called it. Some of y'all say peony. Peony. It's super pretty. I love that print. Is really great. It's cute. This one is more like a t-shirt material. It has this cute fringe on it and the bottom as well. Super cute. This one was $13.94. And I do have one more. I'll show you the pants right quick, and then I'll show you the other one. These white pants are hideous. Now, please forgive me if they're your favorites. I don't like them. They are thick nylon. These are going to be very hot no matter where you live because they're thick. You can't even see through them. You know, some nylons you can see through. These are horrible, in my opinion. These I did get in 3X also, and they fit me. They fit me. I would say they fit me. They looked almost like jeans in the picture, They're not quite capris, like they're not mid-calf, but they are above the ankle. That feature I thought was cute. But the material, see, you cannot really tell. Doesn't matter what you read. The material doesn't always, it doesn't explain it very well. And this is this kind of a waist, elastic waist. Hideous. I will never wear those. I will put them in Goodwill, is what I will do with them. $13.98. Unless one of y'all want them, tell me. But again, if a bunch of you want it, then I will have to do a little giveaway or something. Now these I like. These are elastic waist. These were very comfortable. They're just, you know, your basic. I don't really like beige, but I think I wanted white and they didn't have them. That's why I ended up with that white, because I want some white capris and it's really hard to find them. So this is elastic waist. These fit me pretty well. You know, they're not real form-fitting, which is fine. They're a little on the loose side. But they're like a coffee with cream beige. You know, they're not super light beige. These were $9.89. And, you know, back in the day when we had Kmart, I would have paid, you know, $12 or $14 for these. So, and then I have one more. So I have a code below for Temu. If it's your first time shopping with them, you can use that code. If it's not your first time, then the code won't work for you. So if you want to shop under an affiliate, I am not an affiliate. I'm not going to be an affiliate. I think there's two different programs. One's an affiliate and one's something else. I know a few creators that are. If you want to give them quote unquote credit for your order, ask me and I'll give you a couple of names. Then I have this one, which I have already worn. I've already worn it. I've already washed it. I did like the pattern. I'm not crazy about these sleeves. See, they have a stitch in it. They're short. This is, I didn't love the fit of this. Okay, smudge. You can see right through there, but I did have on under things to cover. And be careful. I will tell you this about Temu. It's happened to me more than one time. I was buying one. I got two. Okay. Then when I look at my receipt, I paid for two. And I didn't notice that because it's my fault. These clothes have been sitting here for weeks, if not longer. So I think it's too late to return anything. I might check with them and see. But again, if anybody's interested in any of these, in the ones, well, the pants and this top, if anybody really wants it that bad, send me a private message. How's that? And then if I have a few of you sending me a private message, I'll do a little giveaway or something. And we can keep it private. That's fine. So anyway, yeah. So that's what I got from Temu. I will tell you, some of these things are nice. This is, you know, they're smashed up from being in plastic and smudge is now sitting on them, so there'll be fur all over them. But this one, once it's washed and, you know, get some of the wrinkles out of it, I may have to steam. You know, sometimes this nylon doesn't, you can't really iron it. So I may have to steam it to get the wrinkles out. But these will be nice work blouses, some of these. So, yeah. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing my Temu haul. And these are all plus sizes. Everything I got was a 3X. Pants, tops, all 3X. And they all did, they did a good job. And how I came up with that sizing for myself, because I wear a 1X and a 2X generally. With my Stitch Fix, I've been wearing 2X. Some have been a little big. But this is when I first bought something from them, they gave a size chart, and I try to look to see if there's a size chart, if it says anything. Often when you go in, it'll say suggested for you, I think is how they put it, and they'll say the 3X. I think on one item they did suggest something different, and I ended up not getting that item, but so make sure you look at that kind of stuff. But I will tell you, I have trouble sometimes even finding any quote unquote ingredients of what it's made of. You know, really, I can't always find that. So that was my Temu haul, plus size Temu haul, and thanks for stopping by. And for now, I've got too many clothes, y'all. Between this and Stitch Fix, I'm not buying anything else for a while, I don't think. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.